doing? So basically, what I've decided to do is hijack one of Danny's videos. I thought it'd be funny. So I'm going to introduce you to the best vehicle on the planet. I'm going to introduce to you Gypsy's Thunder. Gypsy Thunder of Destiny. Look, in all her glory, it's amazing. Look at her, look. So basically, Danny's got a van, I've got a van. We're going to do some funny videos with vans, like an orgy of vans. It's a Corsa B, she's old, like someone's nan. Basically what it is a Corsa B, look, as we noticed earlier, that had basically been stripped and then stuck to a loaf of bread and had a seashell stuck on the top. Might as well show you inside whilst there's someone with the camera. It's a van, it does van things. It's got wind down windows, for all intents and purposes. It's got an airbag. We discovered that it doesn't go fast enough for the airbag actually to have any justice being there, but it's there. It's got stereo. Side doors, they open, but not slide. It's great. Wing mirror. Don't know what that does. And it's got these wheels. Look at them. 13 inches, I think they're 13 inches. Yeah, 13 inches of just pure meatiness. We'll move around to the front. It's got a silver bonnet, don't know why. I think it's been in a crash, it's in the description, but I suppose we'll sort that. This wobbles for some reason. Got a wonky eye like mine, it's great. We'll move around, it's got gum. And an ecosystem growing in here, I don't know what that is. Got this, I don't need doing something with because it looks a mess. And it's got a really interesting feature actually whilst we're here. I'm going to go back round this way. It has central locking. What's that? I know. So work way around the back. There is things that have happened to this van. Someone has smashed my back doors in.
Yeah, Mrs.
Well, I don't know. But the interesting thing about this van is, as you notice here, there's a number missing, and this says 4. It is actually a 1.4 petrol, which is quite bizarre because I've never seen a 1.4 petrol van before. It's strange, but yeah, 60 ponies of raw power. We open my back doors. Filth. It's got a femidom, which, yeah, does femidom things. Cage, jerry cans. Oh, I found a tissue you wanted. I actually have some in the van. Yeah. And baby wipes. So you didn't have to have a wet buttocks, but it's happened. Yeah, the van. There's random bits of wood in it. It's a van at the back.
Typical.
The thing I find most intriguing.
Wood screws, tech screws?
Yeah, I don't actually know what happened there. Again, someone smashed in my back doors, don't know who. This is the interesting part. Press red lever to release door. What red lever? 1, I'm colour deficient, and 2...
I mean, I was about to say, to be fair, you are colourblind.
Yeah, I am, but there's clearly no red lever, so that always causes confusion, and this...
But what about that? That's red.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'd like to think it's red. The other interesting fact about this van is it's got windows. I know that's nothing new, but they're actually heated, and they do actually work. They do take a very long time to get there.
That is actually a cool little feature. Heated windows.
The exhaust, I don't actually know what's going on with this
T-shirt.
It's not even where it should be. I don't know whether it should be here. I don't really know what that's all about.
Does it flap? No, I'd say that's where it's supposed to be, and then it got broke at some point and then melted the bumper.
Possibly.
That's what it looks like to me. Possibly in the same accident that smashed the back doors in.
Yeah, and it smashed the front end in as well, which is a bit bizarre. But yeah, it's a van. I don't really know what else to say. I mean, it's had a bodge, a patch on there.
That's not a bodge. That's actually some relatively good welding, to be fair.
You reckon?
Yeah. As MOT welding goes, that's fairly strong. Yeah. It's neat. It's tidy. It's not a concourse fan, is it?
Oh, one thing we didn't do is actually check the condition of the seats under the
have you not
orgy sheet. Well, I call these orgy sheets.
So we're looking for.
Oh, hang on. I had to do that. Now we've all got asbestos, and we're going to die. Asbestosis. Don't swallow that.
That's the collection of COVID for the past 2 years.
And sweaty ball swat.
Yeah,
sweaty.
that's sweaty ball sack.
Sweaty ball sack everywhere.
Apparently it's got an airbag, according to the seats.
Yeah, that's your face going into the steering wheel at 20 mile an hour. That's probably all it does. I haven't actually done a speed run because obviously...
Right, so I'll hijack the video because you're skipping over things.
What am I skipping over?
Just, I mean, everything.
Like what? What are we skipping?
I mean, just like the addition of...
Touch that sticky thing.
No, you're
Go on,
right.
touch it, because I don't know what it is.
I'm not touching anything sticky.
You should touch it. Tell me what it feels like. Is it nasty?
I think that's
For
fucking...
someone that doesn't want to touch it, you're having a proper gouge there, aren't
I
you?
think that's decorator's cork.
Well, we'll go with that then.
So, but we are lacking in...
Oh, it's ain't got a revometer either.
A revometer? Do you mean a tachograph?
Yeah, my version of tachograph's different, but it doesn't have a revvy thing that tells you how many revs you're doing. And then the other thing about these cars, when you find the fuel gauge is absolutely dog shit. So actually, 1 minute it tells you got quarter of a tank, and then the next minute it tells you got nothing. It does take forever actually to get to whatever fuel is in it. There is fuel in it. Well,
I think you're a bit optimistic at 130 mile an hour.
Yeah, that's very optimistic. But the mileage,
yeah, 83,000 miles. That's
whether it's
pretty
genuine
good.
or not, I don't know. But
Well, 84,000 miles.
it's got an alarm with a Tamagotchi touchy thing that no one knows how to use.
Old school style transponder thing, a mobiliser. All you got to do is touch it. It's not plugged in.
Yeah.
So what else we got in here?
We've got stereo. We've got that. The heating actually does work, which I'm quite amazed at. What else is there?
Paraphernalia and glove box. So we've got cup holders. We have cup holders.
Yeah, but they don't hold nothing. Look, I've got too much length. I mean, hold a vape juice. I mean, to advertise the fact to everyone you go. Look, he comes for a car review as well. Look, he's coming to review his used tampon.
No, I think he probably just works at Autoglass.
Probably.
So you're missing your door speaker things.
Yeah, that was an interesting thing. I don't know why. The other thing is, it has got speakers in it. I think they're Alpines or whatever they're called in here. They're not very good, mind, but.
I can't really see. Looks like it's got Alpines in it.
Yeah, another common problem I think you'll find with these is that this neither doesn't work.
It's because it's an addition. Somebody's just stuck it on the top of the dashboard.
It did work when
Yeah, I was about to say, have you tried hitting it?
Yeah, I've tried that. It did work originally when I first got it, but now it just seems to have died.
Did it have like a factory hedge in it when you...
No, it just come with this. Which is alright, it plays Bluetooth, so it's got some, modish cons.
Modish cons?
Yeah, I don't know whether that's a word, but it is now. And then it's got this, and then that. They do things. And the problem I've got is, if you're
It's pretty clean, isn't it? It's got Customz.
Yeah, it's got Customz. The thing is, if you're pretty short, what I normally find is, a lot of these cars, these visors serve no purpose.
Do you have a socket set? Did you even know that was there?
Yeah.
Did you put it there?
Yeah, because just because a van breaks down,
What have you got in that one?
I don't know.
Have you even looked?
I put something up there earlier.
You've got a strap on up there.
Oh, that's from my old job. Yeah, that's my
Yeah, that's a strap
chaos
on.
belt. Yeah.
I'll leave that there. Nobody wants to see strap it. Well, we swear and curse, but it's still a clean channel.
Yeah.
So yeah, this what Louis was trying to say is this basically is a Corsa B front end, and all the way to that roof, and then you can see these. You can see where they've just basically put on this fucking horse box on the back, and then gave it a forehead. That's it. That's all they've done. Everything front end of this is standard 1.4 Corsa B. Everything from the back is fuck knows, just a monstrosity.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we do actually plan on having some fun with the two vans. Just stupid challenges, windy window challenges, how much load space challenges. You've got what, 60 horsepower?
Yeah, I think so.
I've got 70 apparently, so we can test that. Yeah, we were just gonna have a giggle. So I thought we'd share. Anything else you want to add to? Oh yeah, we are going to be modifying this as well. We've already got plans.
We've got leftovers from.
We've got
left.
Yeah, we've got leftovers from another project. I'll put a picture up here. So yeah, we're gonna old school max power.
Yeah.
We're not sure about wheels yet.
I'm
not
claiming
sure about
midlife
engines.
crisis. That's what I'm going to claim.
Midlife.
Yeah, crisis.
Knowing your inconveniences, I think you're beyond midlife.
Yeah. Yeah.
You've not got much left.
Past midlife, on midlife.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, so it should be fun. I'm quite excited. Hopefully it'll turn out good. The colour, I really don't know. Is it purple or blue? Someone please tell me.
I think it's dark blue. That's faded. I think it's a royal blue. So yeah, that's the introduction of what would you call it?
Gypsy Thunder.
Gypsy Thunder.
Please.
Fucking Gypsy Thunder.
It is.
Just.
I mean, I'm not stereotyping, but I mean, you know, Gypsy Thunder. It's, you know, it was knighted by someone else, not by me. A friend of mine gave it a nickname, and I actually, you know, like that nickname, so I've rolled with it. Probably going to get stabbed or shot or maimed or buried somewhere. I don't know, but Gypsy Thunder.
Yeah, we're going to have some plays, and then there'll be many videos coming. Don't know when. Obviously, the new unit's getting sorted out, and I ain't got a lot of time, so it is going to be an as and when, but it's going to be fun.
Something. I've never noticed the LS badge.
You've never noticed your LS badge?
No. What does that mean? Low sport or luxury sport?
I don't know. It's definitely not V8.
Yeah. I mean.
So yeah, it's not V8. That's something that we do need to mention. It's like this is how sort of fucked up this van is. Right, so you look at the profile this way, you can see how much of a fat ass it's got. It's that bad that they couldn't even use the original mirrors. They had to put some fucking caravan mirrors on some scaffolding. That's basically it. It's comical. It's amusing. So, right, should we do an outro? So, yeah, keep following along. This will pop up every now and again. Lou will pop up every now and again for bits and bobs. Please have a look at my friends in the description box below. Please check out my merchandise store, my Teespring store. Please follow me on all the social medias, and I'll see you for the next one.